As a professional motocross racer, training day in, day out, you put in the laps. But when you pull into a perfectly groomed supercross track in the morning, those laps make your job a whole heck of a lot better.
Pretty much whenever we ride together, we're always playing the game of cat and mouse. I'm usually the mouse, he's the cat. And it's fun.
The cool thing about Supercross is not everyone can ride it. You have to be a pretty bad dude to ride Supercross.